In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide products in your Shopify store without deleting them. This is a helpful feature that allows you to keep your products organized and easily accessible in your Shopify admin for future use, while removing them from view in your online store and any connected sales channels. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this step by step. First, you'll want to access the product you intend to hide. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, navigate to the Products section. From here, you should see a list of all your available products. Click on the specific product that you'd like to hide. This will take you to the product's details page where you can manage various settings related to that product. Next, it's time to manage the sales channels for the product. On this product details page, look to the right side where you'll find the Sales Channels section. You'll need to click the ellipsis, the three dots button, next to Sales Channels, and select Manage Sales Channels. A new window will open up showing all the sales channels that your product is currently listed on. Now, to hide the product from all your sales channels, simply uncheck all the boxes adjacent to each sales channel. This will effectively remove the product from appearing on your online store and any other associated sales platforms. Once you've unchecked all the boxes, click Done to apply your changes. Don't forget to click Save to make sure your changes are stored properly. If you have several products you wish to hide, there's a more efficient method by using Shopify's bulk hiding feature. Start by going back to the All Products page in your Shopify admin. Here, you can select multiple products at once. To do this, just check the boxes next to each product you want to hide. After selecting all the intended products, look at the top of the page and click on Actions. From the drop-down that appears, select Exclude from Sales Channels. Following that, you'll be prompted to choose the specific sales channels from which you want to hide these products. Much like before, you'll see a list of all your sales channels, and you can select exactly where you want these products hidden. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Exclude Products. This will remove all selected products from the specified sales channels while keeping them accessible in your Shopify admin. By following these steps, you ensure that your products are kept neatly organized in your Shopify system. Whether you're preparing to launch them at a later date or simply tidying up your current offerings, this method provides a great way to manage your product listings effectively. And with that, you've successfully hidden products in your Shopify store without deleting them. Make sure to subscribe for more handy Shopify tips and insights.